Welcome to my channel, Amazon Top Picks. Let me introduce BISSELL CleanView, compact upright vacuum. This nimble upright vacuum is tailored for dorms, apartments, and small homes, weighing under 8 pounds for effortless carrying, even upstairs. Key features shine in its 3.6 amp powerful suction, scatter-free technology that channels debris into the machine on hard floors via a rotating brush roll, removable extension wand for overhead reach, 23-foot cord, 10-inch cleaning path, an easy empty TM, 1-liter dirt tank with washable filter. At 11x10x 25 inches, it stores anywhere, tackling pet hair, crumbs, and daily dirt on low-pile carpets and hard surfaces. Pros: incredibly lightweight and maneuverable, it glides under furniture with ease. Users praise its surprising suction, outpacing bulkier rivals for quick, effective cleanups. Assembly takes seconds, emptying is mess-free, and at $60, it delivers stellar value. Quiet operation suits apartments, and pet owners love its hair pickup. Ideal for mobility-challenged users or frequent moves. Cons: the petite dirt cup fills fast, demanding repeated dumps. No HEPA filter blows fine dust back out, irritating allergy sufferers. Lacking a brush roll shutoff, it risks scattering, flinging on hardwood, potentially scratching delicates. Plastic construction feels toy-like, prone to tipping. Short hoses limit attachments, and some report early belt motor failures. Not built for deep, high-pile carpet cleans. Verdict: a top pick for light, frequent use in tight spaces, but upgrade for heavy-duty or allergen-free needs. Thanks for watching. To purchase the item, simply click the link below. If you enjoy our channel, please subscribe now. You will not miss any future videos.